I made this whole store for under $50. I'm going to show you how. Hello, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Hit it! I'm going to keep a total counter where we can add up the total for everything we use today and try to keep the cost for this to be as low as possible. I'm aiming for $50 to get started, but let's see. Now to start, we need some products to sell, right? Let's drop ship some exercise equipment. They're pretty popular according to Google Trends. Next, let's get a domain because people can't buy from your store if they can't get to it. For that, you can't beat a .store domain, especially since it's trusted by 1.5 million plus sellers, including big names like Mr. Beast.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to all my YouTube secrets.
Yeah, that Mr. Beast. And Rihanna.
Hair has always been very personal.
Yeah, that's right. Bad girl Riri using it too. And studies show it actually helps businesses sell more. .store websites get 87% more website traffic and 2 times higher ranking on Google. The best way to get a .store domain is to click the link in my description. It will take you to get.store, where you will search for .store domains that you can use for your online store. And if your name is both creative enough and not taken, you might be able to get it for only $5 for the first year. Okay, so now we're on .store domain. Let's get our .store domain going. We're going to go with Inside Your Wellness. Okay, yes. .store. Let's see if we can get this. Let's search and see if it's available. Come on, let me see. Yes, it is. All right, $4.99. It's usually $29, but we're about to use a coupon, store $4.99. We're going to add that to the cart. We're going to proceed, and we're going to get this for $4.99 for the first year. I love it. Let's do it. Okay, $4.99. See, that coupon worked. Store $4.99. Make sure you put your coupon in, please, before you place that order. Okay, now I got Inside Your Wellness .store. Can't tell me anything now, boy. Create an account. I love it. Make sure you put your name. If you have a company name, email, address, city, zip, country, state. Make sure you put a password that you can remember. Okay, confirm that password. Put your phone number in, and let's pay online. Let's do this. All right. Okay, it's going through. After you get your domain, next, let's go to Shopify and design that online store. You can pick any plan, but the first month, it's only $1 to get it started. I do recommend their basic plan. It is their most popular one. Let's get started. I'm excited. We in this. Okay, now we're going to hook this up with Shopify. We're going to connect these two. Now, I already have a Shopify account. Now, you have to get one. So, you could go through email, Google, Apple, or Facebook to get yours started. All right, the 3 days for free. You get free for 3 days. And after that, it's $1. You can't beat that. We're going to do what it says, where would you like to sell? We're going to say an online store. Create a fully customizable website, which we did, really. We got it with .store. We're about to do this. Which best describes you? I'm not selling yet. All right. So we're going to put that. All right. What do you plan to sell? Drop shipping products. Look at all the different choices, though. Please make sure you check the right one. All right. Now the Shopify store. Okay. It's all $1. We're going to try the basics. That's the most popular one right now for solo entrepreneurs like myself, okay? All right, so for that first month, I told you the first 30 days is $1. After that, I'm going to be paying $39. You put your name, your information in again, all right? Your country, your region, your zip code, okay? They also do PayPal, by the way, all right? Just let you know that. Now, we're going to connect our .store. See, we're going to have our domain, Inside Your Wellness. Okay, I love that name, by the way. And we're going to connect it to Shopify. You see that first theme? That was the dawn theme. You have different choices. All right, I have one already with a dawn theme, so I'm gonna go with something a little different. I like the ride theme. I think I'm gonna go with ride, but that's the dawn one. That's like the default theme. When you go to Shopify, you might want that dawn version. It's very easy to put together. It's easy to change out the pictures and the template. They make it very easy for you. Okay, now I have to connect my domain because I already bought a domain from .store. Okay, so inside your wellness .store. All right, letting everybody know I have a online store. Okay, so now the Shopify theme. I'm going to do it ride. I like that. Okay, we're connecting everything now. We are connected. Okay, so you see that theme? I'm going with that theme. That's just a template. Don't get scared. That's how it looks on the mobile. I'm changing it out. I'm not selling surfboards yet. All right. You can use the Dawn theme. They have a library full of templates you can use. Successfully added ride. All right. Now I need some merch. Where am I going to get that merch from? Okay. I'm going to go with Dropshipman. All right. They are connected to so many people. All right, so and they are Trustpilot 4.4, so they're the real deal. I'm gonna get my merch from Dropshipman and add it to my store. So we're gonna install that, and they are connected with Temu, AliExpress. So very important to have some. Look at this to unlock drop. Welcome to Dropshipment. All right, so now we're gonna connect everything. I need to choose a plan. So get started. You get free 7 days for free. Okay? Like I told you, to get this started, you're not spending a lot of money. Okay, I'm going to go with the highly recommended plan. We're going to select that plan right there, the plus plan. You see right there, it said the features 499 points. Very important if you want to change out words. You want them to change out the words. You use up points. Okay, if you want to make the description a little bit more SEO friendly, more easier to read, more like just right to the point. This is what you want to do. You're going to be changing out some of the words. You can have even ChatGPT or their AI system do it. Okay, so those points are important. And look, they remove China labels if you pick the plus plan. That's really, really good. They have that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, VIP support, 5,000 AliExpress products, 5,000 Temu products. Yes, that's the one I'm highly recommending. I'm going to try that one. Select plan. All right, that was a success. We're going over here. 7 days for free. After that, I'm paying $24.95. I'm going to approve this. And we're going to get started because I need my products for my Shopify store. All right, let's approve this. Here we go. Look at all the different things you can sell, all the different categories. Pet supplies, men's clothing. I'm going to go with sports and outdoors. They even have bags and shoes. I'm going to stick with health, beauty, and hair because that's going to go with that. And I can always change that out if I want. I'm going to do the AliExpress for now. Okay, so we're going to get our jump rope. Okay, because fitness is time. It's time to get in your best shape. All right, so remember, I don't have to hold the products at my house. Look at the price is $1.85, and I've been using this jump rope. It works. It's like it has a counter built in. It tells you how many times you jump, how many times the rope rotates, and I'm getting this all from AliExpress, and I'm going to add it to my store. And I'm going to, and you also, look, they have titles. You can optimize your title if you ever want. That takes points, by the way. That's why those points are important. Okay, so that description is in there. And I'm going to check it. And once you check it, you can list your product. And it connects right to my Shopify store. And you see, they're going to up the price so you can make a profit. All right. So now I'm going back to AliExpress. We're going to get another fitness product. Wow. I love this. The heavy duty latex resistant bands. They work. I've never done it like that attached to equipment like that. That's pretty cool. Now you see how they come in different colors. Okay. I'm going to use the AI title optimization to change it out to optimize the words and those different colors. Look at that. That takes 20 points. So that's why I told you, make sure you have points. The more points you have, the more you can change things out. They come in different colors, and the different colors represent the different resistance. So I'm going to add that also Yeah, I'm trying to get my fitness on, and I know a lot of people trying to do that. So this is great equipment. And you could be in an apartment, you can use it. I'm looking for equipment like that you can use anywhere. Oh, look at this, the abdominal wheel. This really, really works. Now, I've never did the double wheel. I did the single wheel. But let's see. And it comes in different colors. We're going to list this product as well. And let's see how this works. I'm actually going to use the double wheel and let you know how it works. Because I've only did the single wheel. So this double wheel is going to be fantastic to try out. The abs wheel roller. Okay. Let's list that product as well. And I like that it comes in a variety of colors. Okay, let's do one more product with AliExpress. All right, let's use, there you go. The pedal exercise trainer. You're sitting down, you're watching television, you want to get that blood circulating in the body, you want to keep moving while you're sitting down at your office and at your desk. Let's list this, okay? They're going to definitely up the price on that so I can have a profit. All right, so now we have 4 active items. All right, and you see they're all in stock. And I'm going to use the theme Ride. I'm going to use this theme here. Look how beautiful it looks. It came out nice. You see the new prices, right? All right, look, $9.70 for that jump rope. All right, all these different colors. What a variety. There's my catalog. There's my pedal. Look how much they upped that price. So you can make a profit. I'm going to put in Welcome to Inside Your Wellness. Change the title up on top. There you go. On the header, we're going to put my logo. Boom. There you go. We got this. You see this? Now it's looking like a shop. It's looking like an online store. Look how I put that ab roller in to match the color of the theme. Look at that. Tell me we're not coordinating. Look at this. All right. That's what I'm talking about. You make your store your own. You customize it. All right? Yes. Now we're going to remove the password so you can go into my store and shop. Okay? Look at this. All right. All right. It's looking good. That's my new theme. See, the Ride thing. That was so easy to do. Ready to launch your own online store? Visit the link in my description and grab your .store domain today with an exclusive discount only for you because I care about my audience getting those W's. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share to someone, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try hustling with your very own store. Wasn't that fun today? I loved it. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.